Greetings, Thomas Street family. I hope that everyone has had a restful and safe summer. To our new students, I'm Candy Moore, principal of Thomas Street Elementary, home of the Tigers. We welcome you with open hearts and arms. To our returning students, welcome back. We have truly missed the smiles, laughter, and memories. We are committed this year to encouraging, inspiring, and motivating all students to be the best that he or she can be. We believe it takes a solid partnership with parents, families, and the community to obtain this goal. Our number one priority is to provide a safe, secure, orderly, welcoming, and yet supportive learning environment that is conducive to learning for all students. We have worked extremely hard this summer to provide safety measures school-wide as well as individual classrooms. Our changes in our day-to-day procedures for this year align with the guidance provided by CDC, our community healthcare professionals, as well as our district leadership to give you and your child our very best. Please take time to view our K-2 instructional schedule, which is on our website. This will give you a better feel of our instructional day. We look forward to a safe and successful school year. See you soon. Go Tigers.